Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to hide comments in Figma. So comments are easily accessible to everyone and you can easily access them from this little bottom panel. So as you can see comments, so let me just create two of them. I'll just type in hello, all, send, and I will choose another one and I will say greetings, all, and send again. So by default, if you don't hide them, they will be available. And as you can see, you can easily click on them and they will be revealed automatically. But if you want to hide them, the very easy shortcut is Shift+C. Like that. And as you can see, comments are now hidden. If you want to unhide them and reveal them, Shift+C once again, and they are now visible. So as you can see also in the bottom, we have this little button that pops up and that tells us that comments are either visible or hidden. So now you see. And pretty much that's it, guys. Enjoy. If you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, and click on the notification bell to not miss the new fresh videos. We upload very frequently. See you soon, guys.